Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we're going to see how we can add pop-ups to our WordPress website. Let's get started. A pop-up is a kind of informational or promotional offer that displays on top of your content. It is designed to capture users' attention quickly. Let's head over to our website and install 𝗀𝗃 plugin. Let's go to Dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. Now search for 𝗀𝗃. Click on Install Now. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Click on Activate. Now head over to 𝗀𝗃. You can find it in the settings. Click here on the settings, or you can just click here where it says 𝗀𝗃 and go to pop-ups. Now let's create a pop-up. Click on Create and we're going to name it Click on Informational. Now I don't recommend using this plugin to set up newsletter, so we'll go ahead with Informational. Click on Choose Template. Now as you can see, there are dozens of templates to choose from. We'll select this one. Now if we want to change the content, we can change it here. This BR tag means break line, so the next content will be deal will be in the next line. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Maybe I want to give a discount of only 20%. And you can upload a featured image or background image as per your choice. And I'm going to change the content. Now we'll add a call to action button, which means it will add a button at the bottom of our pop-up, which will lead the user to a certain web page. For me, this button's name will be Sign Up. Now I'm going to lead the user to my sign up page, which is this page. Now I'm going to add the URL. Now head over to Appearances. Click on Default. And there isn't much you should change here. You can change either typography. I'll leave it as it is. Head over to Visibility. Now this section is a bit weird. What we'll do is we want to choose the pages that we will hide our pop-ups. Now we'll click on Add Conditions. Now, for example, I don't want pop-ups on our product page, categories or tags. Click on Add Condition. Now just a quick heads up, make sure to add pop-ups to selected few pages. You don't want to spam pop-ups on every single page. You want to attract and engage with your audience, not drive them away, right? So you should add only on certain pages. Now we'll go to behavior and see, and we can schedule our pop-up. For now, I'll leave it as it is since I want it immediately. And I can change when I want the pop-up to appear. We'll click on time immediately or exit intent. We can change the animation entrance as well. And this one will be bounce out. Now check this if you have added a control to action button. We're going to delay it to give it a bit time. Now let's preview our pop-up. Now so this is our pop-up. Looks good. So we'll click on publish. Now as you can see, our pop-up is ready to go. Now let's head over to our website. Now as you can see, our pop-up has appeared. Now let's see if it's showing up in our products page. And as you can see, our products page is clean. No need for unnecessary pop-ups. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.